Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to add the Jobs tab to your Facebook page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, you're gonna head to the menu by tapping on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you gotta make sure that the account that you're using is the page. You can make sure of that by checking on the profile tab and seeing the profile picture of the page and the name of the page. And once you've made sure, all you have to do is to tap on the profile tab to head to your page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see your page. And to add the jobs tab to Facebook pages, you have to look for the ellipsis button, and as you can see, it is right beside of edit. And by the way, as for my page is new, the setting in adding the jobs tab is not available, but don't you worry, I will walk you through in where you will see it. As for what I've said, just tap on the ellipsis button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see a setting here saying tabs and templates. All you have to do is to tap on it, and when you tapped on it, you will see all the tabs or the name of the tabs and also the templates that you can add to your page. All you have to do is to look for the job tabs, and you will see a trigger right beside it, and all you have to do is to turn that on, and it will be added to your page. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.